Here's how to create a pivot table in LibreOffice Calc. Click anywhere inside your data, go to Insert and select Pivot Table. Choose Current Selection and click OK. A layout box will appear where you can drag and drop your fields. Drag the field you want to summarize into the data area, drag your categories into rows, and any field you want to filter by into the filters area. Click OK and your pivot table will be inserted instantly. To filter your data, click the Filter drop-down at the top of the pivot table and select the value you want to focus on. Your table will update automatically. If you update your source data, the pivot table won't refresh automatically. Right-click on it and select Refresh to make sure it shows the latest data. To add a chart based on your pivot table, go to Insert and select Chart. Choose your chart type and click Finish. The chart will respond to your filter changes automatically. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.